Northie. Then I go into the radio and I write down the changes I made with the processor off. What we just made. Thank you for that. So what time you want you for the rest of the day? Sit in the shop? Yeah, roger that. Yeah, no, I thought so, but yeah, no, I'll leave it like that and I'll write down all the notes. Thank you, Shane. Come up on the next over. Why don't you put it down with you? There you go. On the frequency as well coming through. With very we're very light temperature, about 20 degrees, and quite moderate. A little bit windy, but anyway, that doesn't matter. Well, take it easy, don't get too hot, and might catch you another time there. And yeah, 73 for now, mate. I don't think it's going to hold it in there too long there. Very up and down there back. But I think you finished there all the best, and yeah, you take it easy too. 73's Alpha November 14, we're going back to 35. Cheers. Anyway, I've been looking for the best change of the day. Has anyone got a good change? You look in the mirror. What are you all complaining about? Something hasn't even started yet. Yeah, no, that didn't sound very good. No, I want a change, a good change. Afternoon out there from 264. G'day. Yeah, g'day. How you going? Yeah, Big Taylor here. Yeah, you go well, mate. Yeah, I'm here in a little town not far from Newcastle in the lower Hunter Valley. It's sounding good, mate. It's good day, eh? Hello, 999 Cooper Petey 264. Saying g'day, mate.